Hey, Charles here with Rocky Mountain, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change out the air filter on your KTM 50SX. It's going to be a similar process for the minis, the Pro Seniors, whatever you have. So with that being said, you want to start out by removing your seat. So normally there's just a quick connect fitting. Back here, you're going to rotate that and pull it out. Ours is the screw-on type. Now with the seat out of the way, you can see we have this air filter cover. So on the 23 and older models, you just pull back on this front tab. We're going to remove the cover and that air filter. On the 24 and newer models, you're going to have a little tab that needs to be released, and then you can remove the air filter with its cage. Now from here, we need to clean the old air filter up. We've got cleaning solvents and air filter oils available on our website if you need any of those. With this, you just dip that old filter in the cleaner. Then you're going to rinse it out. Let it dry. Now for us, we like to rotate between two air filters. That way we always have a dry air filter. In either case, you just need to apply your choice of air filter oil onto this, whether it's the spray-on type or if you want to dip this in a tub. Once it's fully saturated, just make sure you squeeze out any excess oil. You want to let the filter sit for a minute and let any solvent air out. And then with the air box clean and wiped out, we can go ahead and set this into place. And if you have a dual stage filter, the coarse foam is going to be facing up. Then after that, we'll reinstall that air filter cover, or on the 24 and newer models, you just need to put that tab into position. And then from here, all you need to do is reinstall your seat. That's it. That's all there is to changing out and cleaning your air filter on your KTM 50SX. If you have any questions, leave those down in the comments below. And if you need any parts or accessories for your bike, you can find that stuff on our website. Click the link in the description and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.